when you see it, and there you see now Paul the Yellow Wolf Pitts Pro. Look at the size difference of the two aircraft, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm not going to blow the cover if you've never seen this before. I'm going to let you watch it as it happens. Remember to help us and let us know when you see someone from that plane. Oh, gone in behind the clouds now. Now there's a lot going up there. You've got two pilots and two jumpers there communicating. Oh, we got noise in the crowd, ladies and gentlemen. We got one out.
Parachute.
Two shoots out. Keep looking, because here we go. Smoke is on, ladies and gentlemen. The Wings over Shell Harbour 2026 is on in earnest as we bring them to the ground. Paul is pulling massive G's there. He's pulling a constant 5 G's as he circles around the two parachuters. There we go. The Aussie flag is out. And listen to that 540 like homing motor.
Australian flag.
I know the aviation people here this weekend appreciate the great performance of this beautiful aircraft and the pilot himself.
Rusty, he's pulling continuous G up there. That really hurts.
I just was saying that, you know, and he's constant all the way down, and he's got to concentrate. He's got two humans in the middle, so he's flying around those two skydivers as he comes on through. I like the scattered smoke that we got on. Yes, on the weekend I stall it because I'm driving an automatic all week. Paul Bennett will be in 6 or 7 different aircraft, no two are the same, and really a testimony to the ability of the pilot and his team, the whole team at Paul Bennett Air Shows. Big shout out to Tim and the team that maintain all of these aircraft. To all the men and women on the ground crew here for this weekend, we thank you as well. When we get to the serious side, what do you reckon, Ando?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, those of you who can, could you please be upstanding and remove your hats for the Australian National Anthem, sung today beautifully by Company B. ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Company B.
Oh, what a fantastic national anthem. One more time for the singers, and let's get loud. The Paul Band and the Wolf Beach. Check it out, boys and girls. We're going to give you just a small taster of what is to come throughout the day. We're meant to be tuned up, one of only two built in the world.